Hello guys, welcome to our channel, Binary Guru. Today I show you very interesting binary option strategy which works on all binary brokers. This strategy is my personal use strategy. If you want this strategy, join my Telegram channel. This strategy 100% works on all binary broker. If you want make huge profit daily, use this strategy. I make $10,000 every day using this strategy. Today I show 3 steps compounding using this strategy. You can check my balance and check the end of the video. Don't miss this opportunity. Join our Telegram channel and make huge profit every day. You can check I take trade downward and use my 100% amount. Because I am 200% sure it's deeply win. So let's wait for the results. We are the best Telegram signal provider. Join our Telegram channel and get free signal and make huge profit every day. So let's wait for the results. Practice with a binary options demo account if you're new to this trade strategy. The losses you take when you're inexperienced won't sting as badly if they're paper money.as. With any investment, there are pros and cons, risks and rewards here. Binary options are marketed as a relatively low-risk trading strategy. So friends, we are deeply close in the profit. You can check my account balance is 2x. Now we found another compounding signal. Stay tuned with me. I hope you enjoy this video. Find another signal. Let's take trade in upward direction. So let's wait for the results.
It's all worth it. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
So friends, we are deeply close in the profit that you can check the power of strategy. You can check my account balance is $10,000, this is the power of strategy. Join our channel, you can also make profit and 2x your capital every day.